Today we are going to modify the code from the previous video. We are going to extend the code with two entity mappers. To make everything clear, I have put all the classes side by side so we can follow the flow well. We start with the entity to do with the following fields: ID, title, content, published on, updated on, owner, and comments. To create a new to-do, we only need three fields: owner ID, title, and content. We created a to-do mapper class to simplify the service class. In the first method, we turn a to-do create into a to-do. ID is null. Title and content comes from the to-do create. Published on is the current date and time. Updated on is null. Owner is an aggregate reference of the owner ID. And comments is null. To update a to-do, we need five fields: ID, owner ID, title, content, and comments. At the second method of the to-do mapper, we turn a to-do update into a to-do. ID is ID. Title and content comes from the to-do create. Published on is the old date and time. Updated on is current date and time. Owner is an aggregate reference of the owner ID. And comments is comments. If we now look at the to-do service class, we see that the create to-do method has become much simpler. In addition to the to-do mapper, we also have a comment mapper. First, the entity comment with name, content, published on, updated on. The comment update record has two fields: name and content. And the comment mapper turns a comment update into a comment. Name and content from the comment update. Published on is null. Updated on is the current date and time. In the next video, we will continue with the CRUD API. We will then discuss a many-to-many relationship.